Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how to change the language in course.org website. Super quick and easy. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll be teaching you this on a laptop or a desktop that you might have on your home. So simply open your browser and open code.org website. Now you have to make sure you are logged in into your account. After you have logged in, you can simply go to account settings and now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you will see a language drop down menu. If you don't see a language drop down menu here, you can simply tap on the three bars and here you can find it. Now you can simply click on it and you'll get a list of all the available languages. Simply choose your preferred language from the list, or if you are on any browser you can also choose it from here as well. As you can see, if you scroll down, there is a language selection drop down menu. These are all the languages available in code.org website. You can choose any one from here, and that's it, guys. You have successfully changed the language in code.org website. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.